Alright, these are the CHE Performance lower control arms for my 2011 p7b Crown Victoria. I just unboxed them, laid them out here. Let's get some low light here. It's supposed to have a, I think it's, how do you say it, derail bushings. Even in the Watts link have it. Nice powder coating on them. Not too shabby. But that's what my plan is right now. Go ahead and try to set up my camera as I remove the old arms, and then I'll probably just do one side on video and maybe show you how to do the Watts link, because I can't find any videos for a Crown Victoria with the Watts link, so I'll try that too, see how it goes. Just depends on if I have time to mess with the camera or not. I figure at least make this video of the arms themselves. They look pretty nice, pretty sturdy, so I'll be back in a minute. Got on my other 3 bolts of the Watts link wrench loose. This is my last one. Give you a better video. I'm using racks and wrenches. This one's supposed to do the spring, so I can't really put a socket between it and the spring. I can't put a socket between it and frame, because the stud on this side is kind of long. It faces the frame, like the chassis. This is a Missouri car, so I mean it's got a little rust, surface rust on it and everything. But so far everything's clean other than the surface rust on the nuts. I'll show you the bolt. Get it out. And that's the bolt. Pretty clean. You can kind of see the sway bar there. Let's see if I get this away. Like I said, I already broke these loose. It didn't take shit to take loose. There's not really any pressure that I can tell on these Watts links, because they wiggle pretty easy. So the front one's got a nut, washer, I gotta take that other side off. See if I can get you over there. Take what needs to be done. And there's a clean bolt. These things swing. Rotate 1 and 2. side. This one's loose. Let's see if I can get you to see a little better. Now, a lot of guys say change this stud or bolt when you're doing aftermarket watt links on these things. But I really don't feel like spending $150 on a damn bolt. I think they could do a little better than that. Alright, off hopefully. Something. How about the other side? Let's try this. Let me hit the e-brake cable or something. Pretty sure that. I'm thinking about taking this one so I can see it better. I can't really. These things are so much bigger. Check that. Alright. I didn't have to take that center bolt out. Just have to manipulate it, twist it back and forth. I went ahead and put these on first. That one back there was a little harder. Just because I got my e-brake cable right there. So it kind of hindered the old one coming off. And finally got it on there, greased it up. They supplied you with grease. The little guy there. So everything's greased up around the washer. I just got everything loose right now. Went ahead and that side's in, loose. Just slight manipulation. I just stuck it up there, wiggled it around a little bit, and threw the bolt in it, and so it lines up pretty good. So. But just remember on this passenger side, I had to doubt myself there for a little bit. Wrong light. Gotta just wiggle it up in there. Let's see if I can get this thing to where you guys can watch it. I can't see if it's lined up or not. should be pretty close. Yeah, right there. Okay. Like I said, slight manipulation. Kind of seal right there. Like that. So they're well-made arms, and they line up pretty freaking good. I'm doing this before my lower control arm, just because they're going to be up out of the way. Better to be a little easier. So let me get my wrenches. I'm not sure the torque spec on these particular things. Into my creeper. Let's see. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. This 15 and an 18 millimeter bolt. The bolt head's 15, the nut is 18. They also give you instructions on the control arm, but they didn't give me nothing on these radius or the watts length, so. Ratchet wrenches make a big difference. I'm only complaining about the CAT performance. When I ordered these, I ordered red. They sent me black. So I just have to make do. I'm not waiting until they get more in and make them or whatever. So, those are done. A little better angle from here. All the way up and around. So the watch link is done. Looks pretty good. Alright, driver's side's done. We're going to do the passenger on video. We got here 19. They say start with the lower control arm first, and it does give you torque specs. 111 for the lowers, 69 for the uppers. Actually, $111 for both lower bolts. The chassis side upper 111, the axle side upper 69. So I'm going to go back and retorque my top up roll there, so I did 69. Let's make this a little easier on me. That's what falls out. Put a little pressure on the back side and turn the front out. Damn it. Okay. And then on the so you get you right there. Front lower, or the lower, this bolt's 18 millimeter. And this one, $18 on this side, $21 on this side. They give you all the measurements and the instructions, or the torque sizes and everything. Or the socket sizes. I'm stupid. Okay, I'll get a rag, clean this off. They also mentioned to clean the mounting surfaces, which is not a bad idea. It's mine. Probably have white lithium grease sprayed all over them for trying to get these damn things from squeaking all the time. Fucking annoying. I don't know if just the rubber bushings in there wore out, but they don't look bad. This one's pretty good. I mean, it's got some. This one's bent. There's a ding in it. So, it doesn't look terrible. Definitely seen worse. Let me find my supplied grease. guys. Instructions also mentioned to lubricate the mounting surfaces. You see that? I'm just putting, they give you 2 of these things. I'm hoping I have enough. And I'm also putting a liberal amount of anti-seize on these bolts when I put them back in, because I do not want to have to fight with these at a future date if I ever have to, or if anybody else has to. Make somebody's life a little easier next time. Not mine, if anything. I'm putting it with the sticker towards the front of the car. I assume that's why they put, I mean, other than advertisement, but gonna help orient things. Ordinate, or how do you say that? All kinds of fucked up. Pretty excited about this though. Been looking forward to this. I got Stainless Works exhaust to come on, but for some reason I'm more excited about doing this. Probably because it's easier than doing the exhaust. And just, like I said, just spreading it on there a little bit. I mean, it's got a nice little coating. They don't really specify how much you need to put on there, so I'm going to use up as much as I can. Because again, I do not want these things squeaking. Top. Okay, so sticker forward. There. Ah, almost made a boo-boo. I mean, I lube up everything. I don't care what. Like I said, I do not. If I have to get back in here again, I don't have to worry about bolt season. None of that. So if I got a little copper hanging out of my bolts and stuff, it's fine with me. Alright. Shit off. And this one, that goes to the inside. Move it up. Right there. The nut goes to the inside. this on this side. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. First, I think it has a longer piece hanging out that way. Fuck it. Yeah. Put it on right. I got the other one backwards over there, but oh well. Alright. Let's make this side on this side. That thing run down. Get this thing. This is a 1/4 inch extended ratchet impact from Milwaukee. It works pretty good. This one. Alright, time to torque it. 111. Pretty close there, I guess. I hate these torque wrenches because you can't ever. There's that one. We got 18, so we got 21 over here. See what I'm doing on this. You son of a gun. Let's try not to do that again, huh? That one has a socket on that one. About right out the socket on that one. Let me get on this side, eh? Get you guys over here so you can see that better. Well, I got this one. Tighten the other one up here. Torque down, that's torque down. Check the torque. More than I thought. That should be good. This top one's pretty easy. 18. What I gotta do with that? Just take your big fucking impact. I feel some resistance on that, so I'm not going to just keep fighting because I got a clip. And probably has some corrosion on it. She's smoking, so there's some rust on it. That's where a lot of guys go wrong. They just want to keep fucking hammering on it and break the shit. It's a big no-no. Work that bitch in and out. You'll be good. One thing I recommend on this job is one of these. It's one of the old Craftsman's. Where's that at? Yeah. Well, the Chinese made Craftsman now. Before it wasn't. Replacement on that broke. You can get right in here. Turn that. I can swivel the head, or I can swivel the handle in any direction, just about. Make the work on it just a little easier. Alright, let's see if I can get my ratchet in now. It's little things like this too that make the job a little easier. Pull that sucker out. Let's see this. Bam, bam. And this is I said, ooh, that was pretty corrody. Backside's not too bad. But that side right there. I mean, sour tail. Feel a little play in that one, just a tiny bit. Any little play I can feel by hand. You know the axle is really feeling it. Okay. And like before, we're going to clean, clean, clean. Get all this penetrating spray off of here. Get all the dirt. All this nasty. Running CHE. This is the second one. I'm almost out. I need more. So I can liberally spread this crap on there. I'll probably make it do. Go that good. Look at my arm. stuff up. Okay. Everything's lubed up. Get that focused. Lubed up. Lube. Alright. So remember, the front bolt goes, oh shit. Get that in there, hold that. I'll tell you what, I'm going to forget to do this NSC shit. And as you can tell, I mean, I lay this shit on thick, especially being suspension. In Missouri, we don't have, as far as I know, not in my area anyway, maybe in some as far as the cities and stuff, but we just use gravel when it snows and ices, so really not a big problem with ice or salts. And as far as I know, this has been a cruiser in Missouri its whole life, I assume. That one's in, like I said, a liberal amount, like a hell of a lot of freaking anti-seize. I mean, it's just freaking wonderful how well these things fit. I couldn't ask for better fitment. Really. Let's see. I'll go this way with it. I need to go back that way with it. Okay, so that'll give me this son of a gun. Change my torque to this one. So I'm going to do this one next. Okay, I didn't trigger that one too awful much. Just enough. Okay, so let's say 111 foot-pounds. Tighten that drill up down here. Let's make some noise. I'm thinking it's on this one. There we go. Take that off. Bye-bye. 15. Yeah, this one's 18 millimeter. This one's 15. This one, 69 foot-pounds. So let me change my shit. There's 50, 60. Roughly 69. What's nice about these, good position I can actually torque on. That's it. Let's get the wide view here. And that's them. Look pretty damn good. I mean, I'd still rather have red, but it is what it is. And you can kind of see the watts link there. I'm just impressed on how well everything fits. Let me take you over to the other side, show you that. This is the driver's side. Like I said, everything's anti-seized. So, if your car ain't got a lot of rust on it, I'd say you're gonna be like mine and be just fine. You can do this with hand tools. I mean, you really can. I get impatient and I just want it done now. So, impacts and electric ratchets and shit make life a little quicker and easier. There you can see the other watts link. So, but as far as build quality and everything for these things, they're nice. Powder coating looks nice. The bushings look good. I mean, they fit perfect. I mean, they fit really great. I'm really impressed. Glad I bought them. So we'll just have to see how she performs when I throw her back on the road. Let me show you my old ones. Okay. I've got 172,000 on my car right now. I'm pretty sure that these are originals, so I mean, they got some issues with them. I mean, the bushings, they're not torn, ripped and shit, so they just sure squeak a lot. Even on my watts link. So that's it, guys. That's how you put the old control arms on these Crown Victorias. And yeah, I got a 390 gears with a aluminum differential housing. Got it off eBay, I think, for like $70 or something. It was leaking, but my bolts were getting loose, so I had to tighten them up before I started this. Alright, so next step is exhaust. Peace.